trabaho natin, pero wala tayong ebidensya.
Ebidensya? Yun lang ba, sir? Meron ako. Titanin mo natin.
Sige, tuloy mo.
Rolling! Quiet po!
Quiet! Action!
Oro, sino nadali ron?
Boss, yung mga tawan ni Boy Tiklo, dalawa, napatay.
Naku naman. Akala ko tayo yung target nila eh.
Akala ko nga rin, boss eh. Buti na lang, pinuntahan ko. Nakita ko nga doon. Patay nga.
Mabuti naman ganun nangyari.
Action!
This is an independent film work. It's an independent work on the side of the filmmaker. Sometimes a self-support production, but however, today there are some production that have a big budget, that have a co-produced company or individual.
Diyan na yung nagsimula tinatawag nating independent films. Kasi malaya. Malaya. Yung kasi sinabi ko kanina,
Oo.
independent ka eh. Own resources mo, own budget mo,
Oo.
di ba?
Oo.
Lahat ikaw.
Defining the word independent film as an individual who holds his own project by means of creating his own world. He create things by his own capability to sustain the needs for his project. Independent lies by his own right and liberty to create his art, his feeling of expression.
Action, go! Action, go! Action!
Dahil po!
O, John!
O, John! And! Action! Cut! Yung baril, yung pagsipa sa baril.
When doing an independent film, it may not have a big budget, or no budget, low budget, but the caliber of the actors who played in the movie is higher than a big budget.
Morning, sir. Morning.
Morning, sir. Oh, anong balita?
Bad news, sir.
Bakit?
Nakasagupa namin, sir, ng nakarang araw sila paking.
Ano? Nakasagupan sila paking?
Yes, sir. Bigla silang sumulpot at nagpaputok. Buti na, nakabunot kami.
Mabilis na wala. Ang pinagtataka ko, bakit parang alam nila na hinahanap namin sila?
Hindi kaya may nag-trade sa inyo?
Ang ibig sabihin niya, sir, may traitor.
Rolling. Kapal mo muna yan. Tanggalin mo. Patapal. And. Rolling. Action!
Espiritu ng bala! Lumabas ka! Lumabas ka!
An actor knows his job, knows his character in the movie he or she portrays. Even if it is an independent film, there is no argument in being a professional actor to do his role. It is the same output to share the story to people.
Yan. Ready. And go! Cut. Go! Yan. Slow motion. Cut. And. Action. Cut. Hindi mo na ako makikita, Paking. And gano'n na. And action. Go!
Hindi mo na ako makikita, paking!
Putok ulit. Go!
Ako'y bilang isang pulis na may anak ako rito na babae, medyo ang role ko rito isa akong tatay na very lagi kong iniisip yung anak ko kasi babae. Laging pinoprotektahan ko siya. Tapos lagi kong iniisip yung kapakanan niya.
GVT Films Production is an independent film production who is doing different types of movie genres, but specifically they are highly known from doing mostly action films.
be, kid. Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my
Tatapusin na kita!
worst of times, just like a test.
Ang naging experience ko nag-shoot kami ng ransom dito sa aming lugar, si Sunshineville, Cabukot, 13 Martires, Cavite. Sobra ding pagod kasi masama ang panahon, inabot kami ng dilim. At palaging bumabagsak ang ulan, pero enjoy ako kasi maganda ang role ko dito. At ang tatay ko dito ay si Tom Lumayban na lagi kong kasama sa mga project ng GBT Film.
Ang bilis ko naman dahan-dahan.
Action!
Halos 2 araw kami nag-shooting. Yung iba di na nakabalik. Gawa ng binaha sa Maynila dahil nga may bagyo noon. Kaya madaming eksena ang hindi nakuhanan pero ginawa ng paraan ng aming director na si Direk Victero para matapos namin ito. At saka kahit gano'n ang panahon, kita ko naman sa mga mukha nila na nag-enjoy sila. At maganda ang story ng ransom. May part po dito na ako'y kinidnap, pinaril, at niligtas ko ang aking ama na ginawang hostage para ibigay ko ang ransom money. Kaya ngayon po ay abangan niyo po ito at ipapalabas po ito sa Signal TV sa Pinoy Extreme Channel 106. Kaya po subaybayan niyo po ang ransom series.
GVT Films are into promoting action films with dramas. The production sees the opportunity of bringing back the action genre to public viewing, giving a chance to actors to act and do what they are capable of in doing action movies. Independent films sometimes are a helping hand in the production of the people involved. Some may volunteer as sponsors in food and a bit of money as per sponsors for the production. Others may sponsor the location. However, it may also depend on the budget of the production. A project may sometimes hold due to luck of finances.
Di ba ba tapos yan?
Ano, wag ka. Ayos lang.
Sandali lang.
Sandali lang to, na. Ayos na to. Sige. Ayos. Oo nga pala, dapat nandito. Nasa may dahil ba?
Check.
Ganyan.
Daddy! Matagal pa ba yan?
Sarento Marquez! Hoy! Sarento Gomez!
Bakit kayo nandito? Nakita ko sir, nung nasiraan kayo eh. Dito na ako.
Ganun ba? Meron kasi saglit eh. Pero, naayos ko na.
Kap, si Congressman.
Yeah!
Hi Rose.
Teka, wait lang. Yan, focus. Wait lang. Teka mo, nakapokus ako. Wait. Yan, okay. Ready, rolling! Ojo, ojo. And, action, go! Ay, cut. Wala pa? Wala pang ojo, wala pang ojo. Ready? Take two. Take two. And, ojo on. Go! Cut.
Tatapusin na kita!
Ay, hindi. Nakababa siya eh.
Saan ba?
Pa konti. And, ano? Excuse me. And, action, go! Cut. Action! Action, go! Tago! 1, 2, 3, putok! Cut. Saba. Enter frame. Daddy, gano'n na. Daddy. And, diyan na. Action, go!
Nasaktan ka ba?
Dati hindi siguro natatakot po ako.
Action!
Nandito na ang magaling mo na. Hindi ka ba rin nagpapamamuni?
Action!
GVT Films is more on marketing, promoting their films in different social media platforms, guesting some of the cast in different internet talk shows.
Kung ina-apply ko lang po sa pag-acting ko, mga natutunan ko po dati sa workshop, yun lang po. Tsaka enjoy ko po yung ginagawa ko, kaya madali lang po talaga sa akin yung pag-arte sa mga ganon. Dahil pag ano mo talaga, gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, ganon.
GVT Films' main goal is to bring back the glory of Filipino action films, and being an independent film production is a start-off. And it doesn't matter what type of production they may have, the founder of GVT Films envision action movie in the Philippines will bring back the glory of its genre and its prime.